Hello everybody, I'm Asaduzaman Biswas. Today I came to discuss something about Laravel. In my previous class I discussed about how to insert data into table using Laravel. Today I will discuss how we will get data from table of our database and how to display it on our web page, right? So let us start our discussions with example. So what we'll do, we will write down the name of our model, and this model having a method that is order by. So this order by method is used to align. That means it is used to sort data, right? So we will sort the data based on ID, based on the value of ID column in ascending order, right? Then the method, this method get will give us all the data of the table from database, right? So whatever the data we'll get from our table, we will store it inside a variable, and that variable is posts. Okay, now what we'll do, we will go to where view. We'll go to view. Which view? The view is XYZS folder. Inside this folder we have this view index. We should write it inside quotation. So I am writing quotation, and to this view I am sending the data that I got from our table, which is inside post variable, right? So I am making an array. Inside array there is an index. It should be within single quotation. Inside this index I am keeping the values, those are inside this variable posts, right? Okay, so I will have to write it within this quotation. So cut it and paste it here, right? There should be $, and this is the name of the index, right? Okay, so now this is the index. Okay, and this is the value. Okay, fine. Now let us go to this view and display the value in the view. So I will go to this view and will let us display what we got from the controller. So I will give these brackets to display the value of the index posts. So let us save it and go to output and see what we got from the table, right? So okay, go to here, okay, and give refresh. Okay, great, look, we got the values from the database, right? So now we like to display this data in a table, right? So we can make a table now. So let us make a table to display the data in the table. Okay, so I know how to create table. This is table starting and this is end of table. Okay, so here what we'll do, we will write down loop. What loop? For each. For each loop, this is the starting of for each loop, and this is the end of for each. Using for each loop, we'll take each record of the table one by one from this variable, and we'll keep that record inside this variable, right? Great. Now what we'll do here, we'll make a row This is the starting of row and this is the end of row in table. So we will display the value, right? So okay, so here we will display value, means we will have to write down this bracket. In first cell we like to display what? Name. Alright, now let us do copy. Let us do copy. And the second cell, in second cell we will display suppose email, and in third cell we will display contact, right? Let us display the content of this 3 columns, and these are the names according to the name of the column, right? So the spelling and everything should be same as the column name of the table. Okay, fine. We can do one thing more. We can make header of table. So you can write here in th. The first cell is containing name, so I will write here name. Then I'll do copy. I will do copy. Okay, great. Then paste here, right? Then the next one is your email, and the third one is your contact. Okay, now save it. And probably right now this one is not needed, so I will cut it. Okay, now let us save it and go to output. Okay, now I will give refresh. Okay, I can give border, and it will be later. I can set properly. Okay, so this is save. Go to here, refresh. Look, we are getting all the data of the table now on our web page, right? So today, after this, I will come again in my next tutorial with so many things, with few more things about Laravel. So feel free to comment me if you have any question about it, and subscribe my channel and join with me to learn something about Laravel. So after this today, goodbye everybody.